In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to play Skyblock in Minecraft Pocket Edition with friends. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna give you easy to follow instructions on how to access Skyblock in Minecraft on any mobile device. You will be able to play with your friends together and share a co-op island. So all that you have to do is go over to Play, and then switch over to the Servers tab. This method is very convenient because you don't have to browse through any additional servers, and all that you have to do is find CubeCraft. This is the server that I'm going to be highlighting in this video, because if you choose CubeCraft and you scroll down, you will be able to browse through all of the game modes that they have, and one of the options is going to be Skyblock. So as you can see, they even detail it on the description. Play on your own or with friends, explore and unlock islands, complete quests, and grow your island. So all that we have to do now is go ahead and tap the option to join CubeCraft. We will be able to browse through various game modes, including Skyblock, which is the focus of this video, and then we will be able to set it up to play with our friends. So go ahead and join. You might have to download some additional textures and resource packs, but just give it time, and once this is done, you will be able to access Skyblock alongside all of the other modes. So once you are in, tap on this little icon here to open the games, and you will be able to join Skyblock. So the option is right here. So tap on Skyblock, and usually this will teleport you to your own island. So you can talk to this NPC here, and he is going to help you set it up, and then you can choose player settings and all other options to send out invites. So in here, go over to the Skyblock menu. You will be able to switch over to profiles and go over to the second slot, which is co-op. So create a new profile. This will give you a fresh island, and this one should be automatically set up for co-op. Now go over to profiles once again, tap on the specific slot that you would like to manage, and then add player. Now you can type out the name of any player that you would like to add here, submit, and an invite will be sent. Now of course, I don't have anyone that I can invite at the moment during the time that I'm recording this video, but if you do, they will be able to get an invite, and you can manage the invites that you have sent over here. They will be able to accept, join this profile, and both of you can play together on this Skyblock island. I hope I was able to help you on how to play Skyblock in Minecraft Pocket Edition with friends. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.